Sunshine Gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is August Nicole. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, I had to come back and give y'all one more look for the holidays and the details about this wig right here. She is from Mebeli, and she is a headband wig, and I got her in the color 1B, and she is 24 inches long. She is heat resistant. Of course, she is a synthetic wig, and she has 150% density, and she is very long, y'all, but she is very cute. I believe you could go out and run errands in her. You can go out and be like, okay, this is my last minute shopping wig. I gotta go grab some gifts for the few people that are left on my list. You know, you can run and get some gifts in her. You can go out and run some errands with her. Like if you gotta go make a quick run to the store to get some holiday food to start cooking for your family, you could put her on right here and just go on out the door. She is very cute. She is very sleek. I always think that, you know, if you have a black wig in your collection, it is a very classic look, and she is very sleek. She is very pretty. She is silky, y'all, so for those who don't like silky wigs, you might want to watch out for that, because you are going to need a comb, a brush if you are running out the door in her. And this is how she's looking on the side, and this is how she's looking in the back. And the cons I have about her, she does tangle because she is a very long wig. I wouldn't even say that is a con, because, you know, the longer your synthetic wig is, the more it's gonna tangle. And yes, y'all, she does shed, but I think she is a very cute look overall. It just depends on how you style her. You know, you just have to make it your own. And if you like long hair, I would just say go ahead for the long hair, don't care type of vibes. And I will leave everything in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And Merry Christmas. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.